beneath the chandelier of stars and atmosphere, tangled like the roots on the ground. The window's open, the wind is blowing, and we're both not making a sound. It's like I'm melting on into you. Give me a reason why we should ever move, and tell me you'll never leave me, that I'm not crazy, and this is really happening. This is really happening.
This is really happening.
Could this be better? You write me letters.